How to find your Twitch password if you've forgotten. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to find your Twitch password if you've forgotten. So there's no such direct way of finding your Twitch password in the application itself, but then if you've saved your password in a Google Password Manager, then you'll be able to access it in a very easy and quick steps. So for that, you have to go ahead and log in into your Google account and then tap the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. Select the particular account or the Google account which is associated with your Twitch account, and then go to manage your Google account. Once you click on manage your Google account, now while you're on this page, you need to tap on the search box, type in password manager, and here you'll be able to see password manager, and under it you'll be able to find all of the application where your password is saved. So let's go ahead and locate Twitch. If you have not actually saved your password in Google Password Manager, you'll not be able to find it right over here. So you can see that I've already saved it. So all you need to do is now enter in the device's PIN. Now you'll be able to see your password by tapping on the I button located right in the corner, and that's how you can find a Twitch password if you've forgotten. As mentioned, if you have not saved it to your Google Password Manager, you won't be able to find it or locate it. The only way to find your password is by resetting your password by going to the recovery link. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.